Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Relay Bank UK. But before we dive into that, let's take a moment to think about what we need in a bank account. What are the things that are most important to you? Is it convenience? Is it security? Is it low fees? Or maybe it's a combination of all of these things. Well, whatever your priorities are, I think you'll be interested in what Relay Bank UK has to offer. What is Relay Bank UK? Relay Bank UK is a new online bank that's designed to make banking easier and more affordable for everyone. They offer a range of products and services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. One of the things that sets Relay Bank UK apart from other banks is their commitment to transparency. They don't have any hidden fees or charges, and they're always upfront about their rates and terms. What are the benefits of using Relay Bank UK? There are a number of benefits to using Relay Bank UK, including no monthly fees. Relay Bank UK doesn't charge any monthly fees for their current accounts or savings accounts. Low interest rates. Relay Bank UK offers some of the lowest interest rates on the market. Free ATM withdrawals. You can withdraw cash for free at over 2 million ATMs worldwide. 24/7 customer support. Relay Bank UK is available 24/7 to answer any questions you may have. Secure and reliable. Relay Bank UK uses the latest security technology to protect your money. How do I open an account with Relay Bank UK? Opening an account with Relay Bank UK is easy. You can do it online in just a few minutes. Once you've opened an account, you can start using it right away. You can make deposits and withdrawals, transfer money between accounts, and pay bills online. What are some of the features of Relay Bank UK's current accounts? Relay Bank UK offers two types of current accounts, the Classic Current Account and the Premium Current Account. The Classic Current Account is a basic account that's perfect for everyday banking. It comes with a debit card, online banking, and mobile banking. The Premium Current Account is a more advanced account that comes with a number of additional benefits, including a higher interest rate on your savings, free travel insurance, exclusive discounts and offers. What are some of the features of Relay Bank UK's savings accounts? Relay Bank UK offers a range of savings accounts, including the Easy Access Savings Account, the Regular Saver Account, the Notice Account, the Fixed Term Account. Each account has its own unique features and benefits, so you can choose the one that's right for you. What are some of the features of Relay Bank UK's credit cards? Relay Bank UK offers two types of credit cards, the Classic Credit Card and the Premium Credit Card. The Classic Credit Card is a basic credit card that's perfect for everyday purchases. It comes with a range of features, including no annual fee, 0% interest for the first 12 months, worldwide acceptance. The Premium Credit Card is a more advanced credit card that comes with a number of additional benefits, including a higher credit limit, exclusive rewards points, travel insurance. How can I learn more about Relay Bank UK? If you're interested in learning more about Relay Bank UK, you can visit their website or call their customer service team. Relay Bank UK is a great option for anyone who is looking for a new bank account. They offer a range of products and services that are designed to make banking easier and more affordable. I hope this video has given you a good overview of Relay Bank UK. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about Relay Bank UK. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.